Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show the new bonus update that came out. Well, it comes out on Thursday. It's in lab right now. But yeah. How to join a code. We're joining a code. Okay, well, the new update is mainly creative items. It's mainly creative items. Mainly creative items. Actually, yeah, no, it's all creative items, but I do know that there's some new stuff on here, and it's that. So by some, I meant one. Never mind, there's this too. And I don't know what either of them do, to be honest. I don't do wiring. But there's also some new stuff on the snow biome. So if we come over here, and there it is. That's the new item. There's a chainsaw in the game now. Now it's kind of a creative gadget, basically. I can't afford it, but I can get it from the promo code machine. So we'll just do that. Because, you know, in the lab, you can type in promo codes to get stuff, in case you can't afford them. Which I'm gonna have to use those. I didn't save it all for this update. And there's a new item, zone copier. I still can't afford it. Anyway, well, I'm gonna have to put in promo codes to get it. But, there's not too much to this, as this is a bonus. Yes. Yes, promo codes are like lab only. Ooh, you have to pull it to activate it. Oh. It's like a sword. And I'm running into pillars right now. Okay, well. It's just gone. Well, then it's not What's the point in getting the code from it if you can't switch to different maps with it? What am I gonna do? RC car. What about now? Okay. Can I take it to it? Yes. Okay. Okay. This won't work in the normal wilds. By the way, this is part of the lab. Ooh, I see. Okay, so it can destroy any block. So you know, to experiment, you know what, I have a good idea. I'm just gonna get this, and then I'm gonna, where is it? There it is. Yeah, I don't feel like placing these blocks to make a demonstration. I'm just gonna go copy playground. Okay, Now we need to paste. Try to jump out of the box, but yes. This is how it works. You can just slice through things, just like create a box easier. But I mean, to be honest, it really doesn't take too long to remove blocks the normal way. And it's the first ever creative one. It's just gonna be me slicing up blocks right now. See the secrets they hide under the map. I wanna try something, really. I can't afford them, so I have to put in the phone code. Oh, you can't get two at once. Dang it. Dang it. Well, I'm just gonna destroy Plague. I mean, the floor of Playground is, like, basically gone. I'm just slicing things. I'm just slicing whatever I see. So there's a reason they made this not available for wilds, because of griefing. They don't want you to grief in wilds. So, like, when the update comes out, this won't be available to use in wilds, but you can still use it in community worlds, I think, and private worlds. It's the first ever creative mode gadget. Like, it only works in creative. Okay, well, yeah. That's the capability. I've destroyed 400 blocks. And yeah. Okay, there's one more thing we gotta check out. The thing we gotta check out. This is the new map. Well, it's not really new. It was like a community worlds map, but now they've made it a public world. So if you've ever went into, I don't even know, but it was a construction site. And you know, it fits the theme of this update, and they decided to bring it into the game and make it a normal map. So now it's a normal map, and it's right here. Right here. Since it is an official map now, They should have Buckman stashes when the update comes out. And I mean, you've probably already seen the map. It's been in the game. Yeah, it's a tap tag map. All right. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Since this is an official map, this is the first ever official map to be tap tag. They've never had an official tap tag map before, but this will be the first, which is pretty cool. Because now you don't have to do, like, if you ever want to play tap tag now, you don't have to go to community worlds, you can just go in public worlds. And, yeah. Well, that's the update. Yeah.